Hi guys, welcome to our series all about Wix carts, orders, and checkouts. If you accidentally deleted or removed your cart icon from your Wix site, no worries, because you can still add it back. And here's how you can do it. On the Wix editor, go to the plus button. And depending on what kind of site you have, for example, a Wix store, Wix booking site, etc., look for that option. In my case, I have Wix store, so I'm going to go to Wix store. And then we're going to go to cart icon. We're going to drag and drop this cart icon onto our header or depending on where you want to put it. And it should successfully be added here. Now, if you'd like to customize its design, click on it and click on settings. And here on the cart icon tab, you can select different kinds of icon you can use. So feel free to select an icon you want to use. And below, you can further customize its color, number, font, and color, etc., depending on the icon you chose. So go ahead and feel free to customize your icon. And once you're done, you can close the window. And sometimes you're going to need to resize it and position it properly. So go ahead and do that. And once you're done, go ahead and click on Save to save your changes. Or if your site has previously been published, you can click on Publish again so that the changes you've made will reflect on your live site as well. And basically, that's it. We hope you found today's video of help. If it was helpful, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.